PURR. So you guys check on the right-hand side here, right? What did I say? How do you know something is a good beta asset? It trades correlated to the major, and it outperforms the major to the upside. Well, great news. Hype's up 9% today. PURR is up almost 20%. That's a strong beta. We played this beautifully in the Discord, myself. This wick down on the day of the bombing from Israel. We got this massive wick down on the daily. And this is a bullpen. Okay. We open the daily here. 27 cents is where we open the day. Nuke all the way down here. I had a limit order open on PURR at 22 cents. So when it wicked down right here, I caught a big buy right here to increase my position. And I bought a little bit more manually down in here when it was wicking down. Okay. Why is that? How did I know to have a limit order set at around 22 cents? 22 cents is right inside of this demand zone that I had drawn on PURR. Okay. So when you get a big liquidation wick like that due to bad news on a very volatile asset like PURR, if you're not at your computer, you want to be able to capture that downside before we pump all the way back up to 30 cents. Right? So I get a nice big buy-in at 21, 22 cents average. Nice big buy. And then immediately we're back up fucking 25, 30% off the lows. Okay? That's a big deal. How did I know to do that? Well, I'm not going to fucking ape the top, but I'm also not looking to just buy along the way. I want to get some nice entries. So I figured if we wick down, we're going to come back into this demand zone. Hit it. Beautiful. So I got another load up on PURR, which is nice. Okay, anything between this supply and this demand zone right now, to me, is a good buy, assuming that Bitcoin's not going to have this big pullback. Okay, that's obviously an assumption. If Bitcoin has a big pullback back down to 94,000, then yeah, you're probably going to get PURR to come back down and take out these lows, or maybe tag this demand zone. We'll see. I doubt it, but you're going to come back down and you're going to take out some of these lows. You just bid some more. The reason I'm so confident on PURR, as confident on PURR as we are with the boys club, so Pepe, Brett, Andy, Wolf, is ETH is going to absolutely fucking send it this next leg. So have your boys club positions, but we've been positioning in boys club for years. The reason I'm so confident on PURR now, it's now exposure. It's now a hedge, a bet on the next biggest narrative in crypto, which is the decentralized platform, HyperLiquid. So this is our beta play to hype the token, which is the value of HyperLiquid. Okay. So HyperLiquid's gaining users. HyperLiquid's the best decentralized platform in the world. Everybody's using it. All the whales are starting to use it. It's fantastic. Great. So if we know Hype is going to be the altcoin leader and it's going to run to $100, $150, it's already at all-time highs as we speak. PURR is the beta to Hype, and PURR is not even near its previous all-time high. Previous all-time high on PURR is around 70 cents. We're only at 29 right now. That's a 2.25x from here, just from literally this price. Well, if Hype is in price discovery already, what do you think is going to eventually happen to PURR? As Hype starts to wane on potential upside, and people start to rotate and take profits on the HyperLiquid exchange on their Hype token, what do you think they're going to put that money into? The other asset, the other token that's also on the HyperLiquid exchange, that's a smaller market cap that has more upside potential, that's still a beta, still a bet on the platform itself. They're going to rotate that money into into PURR. So what are you going to see happen on PURR eventually is this is going to run to new highs. Okay? It's going to run to new highs. Well, new highs, if we take a look, first new high on the linear is $1, which is a 3x from here. almost a 4x actually. The logarithmic 1.618 is $2.50. I would not be shocked if we do that. I would not be shocked. I would not be shocked if we run it up to $2.50 in a bull market environment. In a bull market environment, logarithmic typically plays better, fibs. So if you continue to have hype chad into price discovery and have multiple legs in the price discovery, which would be 2 of them, you're going to get these 2 legs up on PURR. You're going to get the first leg up to about $1. You'll probably see us start to consolidate, range for a bit there. Then as Bitcoin goes again, hype goes again, PURR runs at 250. Okay, that's almost a 9x from here. Is that possible? Absolutely. It would only put it at a couple $2 billion market cap, which at the time, HyperLiquid, the FDV at that point would be probably over 100 billion. Okay, so can PURR make it to just, what is that? So 2 billion compared to 200 billion would be 2%. So can PURR just get to a 2-3% evaluation compared to what HyperLiquid's FDV is going to be at? I believe so. Yeah. So this is why this is such a big conviction play for me in a spot bag, because I just see all the upside for it. And a lot of that upside has not been priced in yet. Now you can see with the just general volatility of it, how much it's pumping and then dumping, which is good because it allows you to position well. But just even from this consolidation region, I mean, you're already up 2.5x. Then you draw down 50%, back up 2x. So it's like you're ripping 2x, drawing down 50%, ripping 2x quickly within fucking days. So that's how fast this asset can move, which is exciting because then if you're accumulating at the relative lows, you can see the upside returns within a week or two, within a month or two, and actually make outsized gains, outside returns, multiple X's within a month or two, within 2 months, within 3 months. That's amazing. That's fantastic. So if you can swing trade this effectively, and it's not hard to swing trade because of how strong hype is. So when you have hype doing this, it's not hard to swing trade it because all you're doing is just playing beta to hype, which hype has been up only since April. Since the beginning of April, hype has literally been up only. Up only the whole time. No break of market structures, not a single time. Hype has not broken market structure a single time. Not once. Not one time has it broken market structure. Ever. Not once. This is just a fucking straight parabola. It's not even a good way to draw it. Like, it's just a fucking straight line. It's not even a parabola. It's just a straight line up. Look at this. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just a straight line up. So it's just not a difficult play to make. And that's why I keep talking about it on stream, is I don't want you to fumble easy money. This is easy money. And had you been in the Discord, you would have seen this and gotten this PURR much lower. Now, it's still worth it, right? It's still a fantastic beta. It's still worth the grab because hype's going much higher. So I'm not discouraging you from getting it now. No, you should still get it. It's still technically in this consolidation right here. This is just ranging. It hasn't broken out yet. But don't fumble that bag. That's going to be one of the easiest fucking bags to run up this next leg.